Imagine yourself in this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. This vehicle comes with a Carfax report, which reduces your buying risk by providing the vehicle's history before you purchase. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, and for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: stability control. Call today to schedule a test drive.